Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how easily you can use the AI background on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first what we need to do is open up the camera hub on our PC, go over the camera and check the device input if it's on ELGATO Facecam MK.2, then go back to effects. Here we have the AI background. And here, as you guys can see, we can change it or add it from the ELGATO Marketplace. Also here we can change the blur strength, but the only downside of it is that you need to have the NVIDIA GPU to use these effects. For me, I have a Radeon, so it won't work, but if you have an NVIDIA GPU, then feel free to use the AI background as much as you want. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.